All right, everybody, welcome back to another episode of Frontier Michigan. And today, or tonight, I should say, we're going to be looking at these lights. Right now, I just want to get a comparison of the light output before I upgrade the fogs with the Dial Dynamics SS6s. And I'm currently sitting up by the dam here in Hillman, pointed at the river. And the other side of the river there is being lit up. The very far edge of the light output there is the other bank. So we're probably sitting 300 to 350 feet. I'm at a slightly elevated position here above the river, probably about 5 or 6 feet or so, maybe 7 where the headlights are above the water line. That's why it's kind of projecting a little further. So what we're looking at here is the headlights and fog lights on. That's fog lights off. It basically just fills in down in front of the truck. Now this is high beams on. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go cover the lights on the truck so we can only see the fogs themselves. That way I can get an idea of what this actually looks like with just fogs. I'm going to block as much light as possible. Now we're looking at just the fog lights. I have the headlights covered up, and that's what we're seeing. That's off, on. Pop out real quick and take a look at this. Not exactly the greatest output on these fogs, for being honest. These fogs only have like one little emitter on them. So I'm gonna walk this way a little bit. It's about 8 o'clock at night here, so I'm about, say, 40 feet from the truck, and that's what we're looking at. It's a little breezy out here tonight, so yeah. We walk down under the river here. And yes, I'm on the river right now. Truck tracks. About 40-ish feet from the truck on the river itself. Decent spread, honestly. It's just output kind of is not that great. This is exactly why I'm replacing them, because quite honestly, with the headlights on, they're completely washed out. I sent Foxbeam an email asking for an update on them, since they're no longer reading as out of stock but back ordered. So hopefully Dial Dynamics is getting their restock inventory out. So I'm going to flick everything back on again and do the same outside walk around. So I got the lights uncovered. Everything is on, low beams. A little bit of amber glow off of those. You can see Should only be like 3 of those on in there. I don't know if you can tell. But same test as before. Walk about 40-ish feet away from the truck. We'll turn around. We'll look at it. It's a good spot to go up here and look at the stars too. So here we are, roughly 40 feet from the truck, off to the right side. We're gonna look. That's low beams with fogs. You might be able to make out the other bank on the other side of the river there. So we're gonna walk out there. I know the video is a bit dark, but it's nighttime. I'm gonna go right out to where I was out here earlier. Right here. I'm probably about 20 feet from shore, give or take. See the light spread. People driving trucks out there. A lot of ice fishing going on down there. So there's that. So yeah, the headlights are great. I actually like these headlights. They're some of the best ones best stock headlights I've had. It is to throw some LEDs in them or something. Nissan did it for me. And of course, you know, I can sit out here and throw the high beams on, but do you really need to see the high beam projection from outside? Might as well, why not? Here, throw the high beams on real quick. Got some good spread of light out to the sides. Nice sharp cutoffs in the ground. Well, we'll walk our 40 feet out to the right. Now we're looking at the truck with high beams on. We're definitely lighting up the tree line on the other side of the river. I know it's hard to make out here in the camera because it's dark. But yeah, I can't wait for my fogs to ship so I can get them in. Right up to my spot. Yeah, a lot brighter. Of course they should be though, they're brights. That's the other bank. Wonder if we can make out what those are. Those are fucking wild peaks. That tread pattern there. We've got good taste in tires. This is a Cooper AT3. That looks like a side-by-side. Wonder what else we could find out here. Oh, we got us a Duratrack. Yeah, this is a popular spot. So anyway, I'm gonna I guess I'm gonna end the video here, and we'll update this when I get my fog lights in and actually get them in. And since I don't know exactly when they're gonna ship, this video will be uploaded with the promise of an update. You know that's coming. I just wanted to get something out to you guys tonight, so thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay warm. I'll see you guys on the next one.